Well, I got this Hess air cooler a couple years ago. Let's see, I believe it's an MC18. Well, it quit pumping water. I didn't use it last summer, but now I need it, so I figure I'll take it apart. I ordered a new pump from Home Depot. Came in a matter of a couple days, real nice, to the door, about $21 delivered. So I would pick the hottest day so far this year here in Phoenix. So anything noise you hear behind me is the fan I got going. Okay, Hessaire pump replacement instructions. Replace the old pump with this pump. The end. Yeah, right. So we'll start taking the screws out. You need a Phillips head screwdriver. There we go. Not much to it. Let's see. Step 2, take a drink of water. So for us to disconnect this pump wire switch, behind this plastic box, and there's 2 screws I took out to bring that down. Well, I got the plug undone. And I'll tell you what, it says to press the button. It's a lot easier just to take a screwdriver and kind of pry it off. Came right off. So now, take off all the straps that hold the wires in there. Yeah, I'm going to have to clip the tie downs. So all there is to the new pump is just the pump. So there's the old pump we'll have to take out. So let me screw that out. I got both screws off. That's just holding the pump in. There it is. And there's enough slack. I'm just going to cut the pipe or the tubing. Well, we got it back just the way it came. Put it back where it came from. Well, I've got it put back together. Let's plug it in, at least see if the fan works. Before I put some water in it. Fan works. Put water in it, see if the pump works. All right, let's see the big reveal here. I got water in it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, success. You can see the water floating down on the mat. see what temperature coming out of there. Yeah, 71 degrees coming out of there. It's working as long as I don't move out of the front of it. That's all it was. Here's the old pump I just took out. Wasn't bad either. It was pretty easy once it's done. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped you a little. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped you a little. See you on my next project. Sooner or later, I'm going to have to move that.